Tiggy can move.
He can. I thought you were lame, Tig.
No, I'm not lame.
Knackered.
I'm not lame. Honest, I'm not.
Probably when you want me to do
yeah.
something, but you know. He seems to be going for Armani more.
I don't even think he knows. Oh, Tigger! Tigger! Evil pony. Get out of this.
Like, I want to play! Oh, Bella's going now. That was a short-lived, like...
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Can't be up.
He is actually going to come on. Oh! Nearly went over. Come on, Tig, pack it up.
Look how it's splashy! Oh, bless. Right, guys.
Oh, hello, Dinky.
Dinky! Bella! Hi, Flash.
Oh, too close to everybody.
They're like, ooh, wheelbarrow. Flash is just like, come on, Kate, let's go shoot them.